I'm here today to give you a daily update on HBAR. As you can see, guys, we've got a rising wedge chart pattern coming through there. Not the best scenario because these tend to usually break to the downside here. For the confirmed break to the downside, I do want to lose this 200 moving average here and then basically break down from this zone. We do have higher lows basically staggered in here, very strong here around this sort of area. So it's definitely going to be a take profit point if this is going to be a short position coming through there. The points to be looking out for in terms of a measure move to the downside here, we could be looking at something along the lines of, not like that, but something along the lines of this, right? Obviously it is going to be quite ambitious, quite strong. But yeah, it's basically seriously ridiculous there. So obviously the logarithmic chart. So yeah, I probably would just be aiming for that higher low point there around $2 and $2. What is happening? 24 cents there. 24 cents. That's what I would be aiming for if we were looking for a short position there, and definitely some staggering take profits all the way along the way there. Let's jump down to a short-term time frame and get some more take profits actually plotted in there. Definitely one there. You can see actually the resistance coming through from there and also the support bounce point from that. Very nice indeed. Basically staggering take profits, guys. We're basically planning for any sort of reversal there. Banking profit as we go if we are going to be shorting this zone. In terms of what we are seeing here for HBAR, on the 12-hour, we obviously did see quite a nice, I'd say, parallel channel coming through to the top side here. And obviously we're no longer part of that. We have actually broke down there. But it's just a nice example of like a measure move breakdown here. Not quite seen the completion as of yet, near enough got there, but then we've seen the reversal, and that's why we do see the staggered take profits all the way down there, not just blindly going for that big percentage there. But yeah, in terms of what we are seeing now, let's zoom in a little bit more to the 4-hour time frame, because it actually loves to have its parallel channels. It loves to actually behave in ranges, right? This is a bit of a ranging coin, I would say. Definitely something to be looking out for there. Potential for a bounce up here as well for a nice little swing long. Sweet chariot sort of vibe coming through there. As you can see there, this is definitely something to be looking out for in terms of a move up around 15%. Before that, we want to get over all major moving averages. We're not just going to go blindly for that 15%, guys. We've got definite take profits all the way up. We see the 200 EMA as well there. Definitely take profits all the way up before we close that position coming through there. And when we hit our first take profit, stop loss to entry, guys, you know the score, and that basically means we're going to basically minimize all sorts of losses coming through there. Overall, I would be looking for a level of support here for HBAR at 0.33 and a bounce up from there. Definitely something to be looking out for, but overall not too bad. Still downtrend, looking for hopefully a nice move up from there. But yeah, it's going to be a daily update on HBAR.